Hello and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to easily send files from your phone to your laptop via Bluetooth. Whether you need to transfer photos, documents or any other files, this guide will make it simple. Let's get started. First, let's set up Bluetooth on your laptop. Make sure your laptop has Bluetooth capability. Most modern laptops do. If you're not there, check your laptop's manual or specifications online. On your laptop, click on the Start menu and go to Settings. In the Settings menu, select Devices and click on Bluetooth and other device. Make sure your Bluetooth is turned on. It's off. If it's off, switch it on. Next, let's set up Bluetooth on your phone. On your phone, swipe down from the top of the screen to open the quick settings menu. Now tap on the Bluetooth icon to turn it on. Now go to Bluetooth settings. On your laptop, click on Add Bluetooth or other device. Select Bluetooth. Your laptop will start searching for nearby Bluetooth devices. On your phone, you should see your laptop listed under Available Devices. Tap on it to pair. Let me show you how. Here you can see it. Tap on it. And on your laptop, tap on Add it. And in this way, after you've confirmed the prompt on both devices, your phone will be connected to your laptop. Now on your phone, go to the file you want to send. For example, let's send a photo. Tap on it. Tap on the share icon. Now scroll and tap on more. And for more option, tap on Bluetooth. Choose your laptop from the list of paired devices. And choose your laptop from the list of paired devices. You'll see a notification on your laptop asking to accept the file. Click Accept. Once you accept the file on your laptop, the transfer will begin. You can monitor the progress in the Bluetooth file transfer window. When the transfer is complete, you'll find the file in the default Bluetooth folder, usually in your Documents or Downloads file. And that's it. You've successfully sent a file from your phone to your laptop via Bluetooth. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tech tutorials. Thanks for watching.